Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Mudita from Wood Creation. Today we will make an hexagonal orchid pot using this scrap wood that I have on my shop. In this video I will show you how to make the hexagonal orchid pot using the simple jig that I made on my shop. Also, I will show you how to make the simple jig in detail that will help you make a perfect hexagonal orchid pot. So don't skip the video, please stay tuned. Remember, as I mentioned before, this is an scrap wood using the project. So if you have any idea to use your scrap wood in your workshop, please put it in the comment so we can share each other. The first process is processing the scrap wood to make it at the same size. For this project, I make 1 centimeters times 2 centimeters. I process it on my table saw. The next process is make the jig, simple jig as I mentioned before. This only using 2 scrap wood and 1 plywood. I screw it together to make the cutting process of the hexagonal easier. For the hexagonal, we need a 30-degree angle. So just put it together, drill it before I screw it to make the simple jig. Because it will we will cut later on using the manual saw. I need to make sure this jig will stay stable and put around 8 screw. Next process, we line the jig to get the 30-degree line, the 30-degree angle, and then start making up using the manual saw. Now it's done. Now to make sure we have the same size in terms of long of the wood that we will cut later on, we need to put one wood inside, and then we just using the manual screwdriver, so later on we can move it inside that we want. So we start the first cutting. As you see here, it will be very easy to make the 30-degree angle. For this size, is actually for the base. We need 6 pieces of this size to make the base. So I cut 6 pieces of wood with the same size. With this jig, you can make exactly precise cutting. All will be exactly 30-degree. We try now first how it will the hexagonal. Yes, it's work perfect. The next one is the process to cutting the other side for the above. For this size will be take a little bit more longer than the previous one, because we need the space to put the nail or nailing the above wood. You see here, we will put on the other side. The size is will need as the short size will need the long size of the base of the wood. You see here. Okay, and that side, and then now we can screw the middle wood on our jig to make the cutting process or the size later on will be exactly same one each other. You may try using your hand saw to check the size, and then when you are really sure that it's already at the same size, and then you screw the middle wood into the plywood. That's why I'm using the screwdriver, the manual screwing, so we can move anytime based on the size that we need. Okay, we try the first cutting for the size. The angle will be still same at 30 degrees. For this size we need a little bit more than previous one, because I plan to make this orchid pot, the hexagonal orchid pot, a little bit bigger or higher than the normal size. So we can put some more material inside. For this size, in total we need 26 piece. So I need to make it a little bit more. Now we do the trial, the assembling process, at least to show you the idea of this hexagonal orchid pot. Remember, this is just a trial, so I don't use any nail or screw yet, so we can see it will be look like this. So we did some more wood, so this is just a trial, so I will take it out again. Okay, now we will do the assembling process. So to make sure when we put the material inside, the material will not fall down, so we need to put some wood inside like this, plus some nail. Now we already try do the real assembling process, so I'm using my nail gun. So this one will be long, so I will cut it to make it tidy later on. Okay, the base is done. Now we do trimming or cutting the wood to make the perfect hexagonal. This is the most critical part. After this base is done, will be easier for you. Just put the additional wood on top of it. Just put the wood, nail it, put the wood and nail it, only that, because you just need to following the base that already perfectly hexagonal with the 6 corner. So like this stage will be faster and much easier than you make the base. We continue until all the wood are installed based on the plan that you want. You can put as much as you want, but remember, you need to make this still look pretty. So for this wood or this hexagonal orchid pot, in total I put around 10 piece of wood, so totally around 20 centimeters high in total. Now all the wood already installed, just we need to cover the small hole on 3 sides. I'm really sorry this video not perfectly on the right angle, so we cannot see the perfect process of the installing that cover. The next process is I use my angle grinder to clean all the corner to make it look more tidy, because remember this is a scrap wood project. Even though we already make it tidy first using the table saw, but this one or this process will make it more tidy. Including the next process is using the sander, the orbital sander, to make it really smooth and soft. So later on when applying the furnace or the finishing process, to make it look shiny. After the 80 grit, now I'm using the 240 grit as the finishing sanding process before the furnishing this hexagonal orchid pot. This process almost done. Remember, when you do this process, don't press your sanding machine too hard. Now I'm doing the hole for the string later on, so we could hang the pot as well. In this simple tips, I would like to share that the best way to cut the plastic string is using the lighter. Okay, it's done. Now I will make the hanger using the wire to hang the pot later on when we want to hang it, or this pot also can display on the table, so we can just easily take out the string. Okay, now I'm going to the finishing process, just applying some varnish to make this hexagonal pot a little bit shiny, even though I will display it on the outdoor display. I really love this process. That's all the process of the making hexagonal orchid pot. If you learned something from this video, please consider to subscribe my channel. And if you have other idea to make better hexagonal or make a better project in using your scrap wood in your shop, please put it on the comment. Thank you for watching my channel, and see you on the next video every Tuesday that I will upload in the noon. Thank you for watching.